and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Gospel artist Carleen Davis is gearing up to release her rendition of American singer Carole King's classic, You've Got a Friend. Davis hopes to bring encouragement and healing through the song, which will be released tomorrow.
Just as the songwriter says, you've got a friend. There's hope when we come together. In the midst of this pandemic, with all the racial issues that we're seeing across the world, the protests and everything, we just need to remind ourselves that we're not alone, that we have each other, we can call on each other, we can encourage each other as we go through, because we are going through, but we're not going to stay here forever.
Recorded at the Jimmy Cliff studio in Kingston, Carleen Davis shared with E-Prime her inspiration behind the cover of You've Got a Friend.
I was inspired to do this song when you think of the words. When you're down and troubled and you need some love and care, we're reminding ourselves that in this pandemic, we need each other. And it just so happened that we had the song recorded from last year, and Tommy and I agreed that this is a great song to release, to inspire and to encourage each other, and to remind ourselves that we are our brother's keeper.
The track was first recorded and released on Carole King's Tapestry album that was released back in 1971. The classic was later re-recorded by American singer-songwriter James Taylor and became his biggest hit and his only #1 hit song in America, with over 13 million views on streaming platform YouTube. Dancehall artist Jamil is pleased with the reception he has been receiving from his newly released EP, Revamp. The great man describes the 5-track project as the rebirth of greatness, which is inspired by some life-changing experiences that he recently faced. The EP showcases a motivational, uplifting and positive side to the reggae artist.
This project is very great. Like, I'm very pleased. My fans reaching out from all over the world telling me how much this project motivates them and inspires them in a positive way, and I'm really happy about that. And I'm looking forward to greater things.
Jamil also shared some of the tracks that are featured on the project. Revamp features the tracks Pressure Life, I See an Angel, Lights Off, Life's Lesson, and Shine.
Project is consisted of 5 songs, that were recorded recently. To compile them, put them out in a time when people need some, positive inspiration, because you see what we are going through,
The project is the follow-up to the reggae artist's 2019 album, Great Man. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.